Hey there, Deal here with Pacific Sun Technologies. As many of you may have already heard, LG Electronics has decided to exit the global solar panel market. Rumors of this have actually circulated for the last 4 or 5 years, with many, including myself, kind of brushing it off. The decision to exit the solar industry is expected to impact nearly 160 employees and 60 contract staff working at LG corporate campus in Huntsville, Alabama. This is actually where LG has been manufacturing their Neon 2 panels since 2018. The company is holding meetings with all of its affected employees to identify potential opportunities within other LG business and manufacturing units. So good news for those people. The company aims to stop its solar production activity over the coming weeks, but will continue servicing its U.S. solar customers and honoring the limited warranties of each product sold. So you have no issues there if you have LG panels or plan on having LG panels installed. In a memo sent by LG Solar to their pro partners, they emphasize their commitment to supporting their installation partners like Pacific Sun Technologies, and their exit from manufacturing solar panels will not affect the warranties for customers. LG has stated that a big part in their decision to exit the market has been due to the increasing costs associated with materials and logistics for manufacturing solar panels, which we have really seen firsthand many companies being forced to increase their prices or absorb these costs to stay competitive. The solar industry has been on a downward pricing trend for the last 10 years, with much of it in the last 5, but with the impact of the global pandemic combined with supply constraints, and then you throw in inflation, the solar industry has seen in as little as 1 year an increase of more than 15% to equipment and material costs, and we don't see it stopping anytime soon. LG Solar is not the first major manufacturer to exit the solar industry, but they're probably the most well known. Over the years, we've actually seen companies such as BP Solar, who was a subsidiary to British Petroleum, exit the solar industry, and we've also seen most recently SolarWorld being forced to close their doors. That was roughly 4 years ago. Now, you can even take into account Panasonic and their announcement to stop producing solar panels at its factories in Malaysia and Japan. But one thing Panasonic did differently than LG was choose to sell modules under its brand name manufactured by another company. That company? REC Group. The good news is LG, the brand, is not going out of business like BP Solar or SolarWorld. So anyone that has or plans on having LG panels installed will still have the full warranty coverage on those panels. Details on how the warranty claims will be processed are still to be released, but I would have to guess that it would be a depreciated compensation program. For example, if you had an LG solar panel for 5 years and it stopped working, well, it has a 25-year warranty, so they're going to pay you for the 20 years value of it. So it's still worth, a pretty substantial amount. You then would purchase another brand and have your panel replaced. Voila, simple as that. It's important to remember that most high-end panels like LG Solar carry some of the industry's lowest failure rates. We're talking less than 0.001%. With all that said, this just goes to show you how hard it is for any company to guarantee anything for this particular industry. But the good news here is to remember the module is only one small part of the system. Yes, it's a very important part, but it's just one part. And you can mix and match solar panels with microinverters developed by Enphase Energy, something that's a bit harder to do with a string inverter and somewhat iffy with an optimized system. Well, that's it for this week's video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay up to date with such things like this going on in our industry. And of course, if you're someone that lives in our area of Southern California, be it Los Angeles County, Riverside County, Orange County, San Diego County, then visit us online to receive your hassle-free quote. We really do make it easy and affordable for you to make the switch to clean, renewable energy. Thanks again for watching. Until next time.